Welcome to Great Harvest Bread Company, a community cornerstone built on warmth and a love for fresh-baked bread. They sought out a partner who understands scalability, consistency, and the unique needs of franchise operations. With 175 locations across the country, DGS Retail stepped in to provide shelving, display solutions, and logistics support, helping Great Harvest scale their custom solutions across multiple bakery cafes while building a system that could expand as the franchise grows. To make sure every franchise location can access these same solutions, we created a dedicated online ordering page. With just a few clicks, any Great Harvest location can purchase the exact same fixtures, ensuring consistency across the brand. From rustic bakery shelves to inviting display features, DGS Retail supplied Great Harvest with a full suite of fixtures that celebrate the brand's warm, handcrafted identity. Wood gondola wall units combine bold overhead signage, refined wood ticket molding, and spacious wood bins to create a backdrop that feels both organized and artisanal. Wooden end cap displays use chalkboard signage and bakery shelves to create an authentic market-style feel, while vintage orchard bins add a nostalgic touch that enhances product presentation. Whether it's one location or 175, we make it simple for businesses to scale their vision nationwide. DGS Retail. Let's build something great together.